In today's video, we'll show you how to set stop loss or take profit on DXtrade. Let's get started. First, navigate to the left corner of the platform to the default watch list. Click on either sell or buy for the instrument you wish to trade, and an order window will pop up. Here you can adjust the lot size and select your order type. To set stop loss or take profit, select protection orders. Here you can add these limits according to your trading strategy. Let's say we open a buy trade. In this case, the stop loss will be placed below the market price. You also have the flexibility to view the stop loss or take profit in different units, such as price, pips, projected loss, or even as a percentage of the balance. Once everything is set, simply click Send Order. The order will be placed and you'll see a notification in the top right corner confirming that the order has been filled. To review the open trade, go to the Positions tab. Here, you'll see the stop loss or take profit you set. You can also view them directly on the chart, making it easy to track your trade's progress. Now, let's talk about another interesting feature, the ability to set predefined stop loss or take profit. To do this, navigate back to the left corner of the screen. Right-click on any instrument and select Pre-configured SL or TP. A new window will pop up. Alternatively, you can set pre-configured stop loss or take profit from the default watch list on the right side as well. Simply click on this symbol, and a new window will pop up. Here, you can set your stop loss or take profit in advance, in pips. Let's go ahead and set it to 15 pips. Once you've done that, just click Apply. Now, when we place a trade using one-click trading, you'll see that the stop loss has been automatically set. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.